DC Types here. Let me introduce you to the 1964 Seafoam Green Hermes 3000. This particular model is among the most valuable and coveted by collectors. This has been professionally serviced, tuned up, adjusted, lubricated, and has had a new platen replaced by J.J. Short in New York, the gold standard. This is a fantastic machine, precise, with smooth, crisp action, with all of the interior lining in perfect condition to make sure it's not too noisy. The rubber on the underfeet is in fantastic condition, and I've reconditioned all of the rubber rollers throughout the machine. This thing is going to go for another 50 years. The great thing about typewriters is that you can express yourself and keep your secrets as you may deem necessary. Well, this machine is now for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.